Hello and welcome back to the channel. On last week's video, I started a 3,200 mile road trip across America. So far, we visited a Buccees gas station, then visited the USS Alabama in Mobile, Alabama, before moving on to New Orleans, Louisiana, where we had dinner, checked out Bourbon Street, had beignets, a New Orleans delicacy, and now we're on the road again. Alright guys, well, we've made it to Austin, Texas. The co-pilot, and hi Alma. Hi. So now we're off to do some breakfast and then spend a few hours in Austin, and then we're back on the road tomorrow. Alright guys, well, breakfast is served. I got the Texas hash. Elvis got steak and eggs and cinnamon toast with crumbly stuff. Cheddar hash. Bon appetit. After breakfast, our host Alma took us on a tour of Austin that we will never forget. First, we checked out the views of Lake Austin from the highest point in Austin on Mount Bonnell. Oh wow, that is awesome. Guys, so we just checked out Mount Bonnell Park, 775 feet above sea level here in Austin, Texas. The next stop on our tour of Austin was the main branch of the Austin Public Library, which is a beautiful, modern space covering multiple floors. The pièce de résistance was the open upper deck area with a planted garden and almost 270-degree views of the city of Austin and the surrounding area. Oh, wow. And I'm gonna walk over to the glass area. Alright guys, we are at the Central Library location of the Austin Public Library, and we are getting some of the best views in the city. And it's all free. Awesome. Next up, we went to check in on some feline friends that were up for rescue in the Austin area and interacted with cats, something I have not done in a very long time but have always been wanting to do. I love cats. Cats are cool. Oh wow, guys, we're getting on a duck boat.
Fantastic. All right, take one of those, take one of those. All right. We are good, my friends. 2:01. Yeah, not bad. Typically people say, hey, we're late. Can you wait for us until 2:30? And sure, we'll wait for you. No problem. All right, well, welcome to Austin, Texas. If you just joined us, welcome to the live music capital of the world, the food truck capital of the world, and the tattoo capital of the world. We got everything going on here. And I tell you what, if you are visiting here from California or North Carolina, we know that you'll be moving here within the next couple of weeks. We welcome you as new citizens here to the state of Texas.
What about Georgia?
Georgia?
Alma surprised us by taking us on a duck boat tour around Austin, which allowed us to see some very popular sites in pop culture and other interesting things, including the state capitol. And then we went out onto Lake Austin itself.
Yeah, that's the wrong song. Sorry about that. I hope that's not a bad omen. All right, at this time, you're more than welcome to stand up. Feel ready to stretch your legs. Go for it. Welcome to the beautiful lake known as Austin. And what a breeze we have out here, my friends. Let's do some boat loading. Oh, you know what? I better put it into gear first before I do anything. Captain Miguel should be out here already. We'll pass him on the way over there. Oh, there it is. All right.
Alright guys, we are checking out Voodoo Donuts here in Austin, Texas. We've done it all today. We've done cats, we've done the water boat, everything.
Old dirty bastard.
The next day.
During our time in Austin, I slept on what is probably the best mattress I have ever slept on. I want to thank Elvis for coming along on this trip with me. I want to thank Alma and Jaden, Bob and Lonnie for allowing us to stay in your beautiful, amazing home. And also thanking Brock and Dean for just being awesome kids. You guys are awesome. You rock. Keep your heads on. You'll be great. Oh. Wow. Hey guys, we are in Amarillo, Texas, and we're checking out the Cadillac Ranch. It's very windy outside. Alright, so let's just go in and see what these cars look like. These look like they've been here so long and they're just covered in paint. Oh yeah? Jeez. There's spray paint everywhere. I can't tell what car they were. Yeah. Okay. Well, while you're shaking that, let me get some pics and then I'm gonna tag my car. So the wheels spin. Did you spin it? Let me see. Wow. Wow.
Awful.
Yeah.
They did a terrible job. Those aren't bad at spray painting. It's harder than you think.
Hey. Alright, so I got my name on the Cadillac. Awesome. Hey guys, we're in front of the Cadillac Ranch gift shop. We're gonna just see what's out here. We got here just at 5 o'clock, so they're probably closed. So this is Elvis Presley in a Cadillac.
I mean, that was this color too.
Yeah, pink Cadillac. And we've got Willie Nelson on the road again. And then we've got John Wayne in this blue Cadillac. Again, I would like to thank our hosts in Austin, Alma and Jaden, Bob and Lonnie, Brock and Dean for just being so awesome to us. For everyone else, please like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with more of this series, and we shall see you on the next one because we're still on the road.